Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today we're going to be unboxing the month of May's SHTF Mystery Survival Gear box. This is a monthly subscription box that you pay $20 a month for plus shipping, and they send you survival gear. Some of it may be cheap, but that's alright. It's very easy for me to replace cheap items, which I am perfectly fine with. If I buy something expensive and it breaks, I'm not going to be able to replace it because I'm breaking my wallet doing so. So I'd rather go through a bunch of cheap stuff than buy anything expensive. But it's a fun little unboxing. I love doing it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, let's dig right in. Alrighty. So in every box, you've got the paper. And I think I also forgot to mention, if you guys want to know where to get this box, you could just type in on Google SHTF Mystery Survival Gear. You can go on to BudK.com or Kadels.com. I'll leave links in the description below for them both. I am not sponsored by these people, I just love their stuff. So, I know there's a card in here. Yep. Right here. So in every box you get a card, and they've got like little specials, like advertisement on the back. They used to have survival tips, and I used to read that to you guys, but I think they stopped doing the survival tips on the back, which is, I mean, that's perfectly fine. But here is the list of everything that's in the box. I usually get the primary because I believe that is the best option, just because it's $20 and you get between 60 and in this one it's $75 worth of stuff in here. So the value of this box is actually more than last month's box. There are 6 items in this box, and the reason why I say this is the best is the Pro box is $50 a month plus shipping. And you only get two extra items in this box. So you get everything in this one plus 2 extra items. So I'm like, not really into that. And then for the Elite box, it's $90 a month, and you get another 2 extra items. At the end of the box, I'll read off what I would have missed if I got those boxes. But the primary box, in my personal opinion, is the way to go. So, alright. Let's get to the first one on the list here. The first thing on the list is a 3-pack of webbing attachment straps. So let me find these here. Here they are. Okay, so I just got another pack of these. My last pack of these, they had another hook on the top, so I had one of these up here. So that's pretty cool. I got some more straps here, and let me just open these up. They're Velcro, so that's pretty nifty, and you can even wrap it around something. So that's pretty cool. Nice. I could probably use this for something other than the ones that I've got already on my my backpack, so very cool. And that retails for $7. So let's see what else is in the box here. Alright guys, so this next item is a quick release adjustable belt. This retails for $17. Got a new belt. Okay, well, it's kind of out of the wrapper, which is alright. Ooh. Have to figure out how this works. Yeah. Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah, very thick nylon cord. Could probably hang my my gun on the side of it. Definitely hang my knife on the side of it. So, this retails for $17, so not bad at all. Not bad. I like it. It's got a nice, really nice metal clip here. I can figure out how to get this one back on. There we go. Very cool. And then you just slip this in here. Oh, I guess it's on. I'll figure it out.
I'll figure it out.
Alright, let's see what else is in the box. Alright, up next we have a Battle-Born pocket knife. This retails for $20. Right here. So here's the box. Just open her up. Ooh. This looks nice. Very nice. I don't know. It's kind of a slow assist open, but that's alright. Lightweight. It says Battle-Born right there on the side of the blade. That is very nice. Pretty sharp. I'm gonna see if it's sharp enough to shave hair though. Yep, it cuts hair, but it could be sharper. Definitely. The back side of this doesn't really have a 90-degree spine, so you wouldn't really be able to strike a ferro rod with it. But it's a nice lightweight pocket knife, that's for sure. Huh. That's cool. Nice. Well, $20. Cool little pocket knife. Says M48 there on the side also, and on the clip. Yeah. Cool. I don't mind it. I'm just happy it doesn't have a serrated edge. I could actually sharpen it and that sort of thing, so I can actually use this knife. Cool. Let's see what else is in the box. Up next in the box is a 6-in-1 multi-tool. This retails for $13. I assume it's in this little white box. Yep. So, it's a light. It's got a screwdriver here on the side. Ooh. That sounds very grindy. And this retails for $13. Oof. Yeah, I don't like that. Check out the knife part of it. Careful not cut myself. Yeah, that is very grindy. And that knife isn't that sharp either. It's got like a little... I don't know where you're gonna find a nut that big. But it's got a little carabiner holder, a little flat head on the side here. I'm not a huge fan of it, but it's alright, it's cool. Hang it off my backpack, just something cool to hang.
Give it as a gift. Yeah,
give it as a gift. Yeah, cool. Let's see what else is in the box. Alrighty, up next in the box is a survival foldable guide. I've been seeing these in their magazines. They've got a magazine, Kadels or BudK, that they send every month if you buy something from their website. It doesn't cost anything, but it's kind of the same booklet as the one unboxing I did with the Moonshine distiller blueprints, pretty much. Same type of thing, but this is Essential Survival Guide. Inside of here, it's got like purifying water, starting a fire, different fire tips there, as you can see. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Steel wool fire, yep, and batteries. Shelter tips, some edibles looks like there. Insect bites, how to treat them, and how to treat poison ivy and sumac. Injuries, the signal SOS. Simple things that would be a good idea to carry in a situation. It's on the back side here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty cool. I don't mind that. Some tips, definitely. I could also share with you guys. And a little bit of knowledge I could just, you know, just add to my memory bank. This retails for $8 though. I don't think this is worth $8. This is more like a $3 thing. That's like $8. I could go buy a survival book. Like I've got a survival book on my bookshelf I spent I think 10 on, and it's got way more pages than this. And it tells you way more than this. So not really a big fan of this just because of the price, but I could use the tips, definitely. Very cool. For the last thing in the box, we've got a first aid playing cards. This retails for $10. Comes in a box like this. It says bug out, first aid, survival cards. Let's see if these look like here. I'm kind of curious. I can get it open. Oh, it's in a nice little plastic container. That's cool. There we go. Okay, kind of crack these open. Let's see what they say. That is cool. Okay, so for instance, it's got the disclaimer on the front here. It's saying that the person's not responsible if, you know, some of these things happen to go wrong, I guess, that sort of thing. And that's got directions. This is just to make sure you have basic knowledge of first aid. And on every card it's got a ruler, which that's pretty nifty, in inches and centimeters. And then on the Joker card here, it says Veni, Vidi, Vici. And then down here it gives you SOS, emergency contact stuff like the Morse code, triple blip, and then the long 3 blips. So that's good knowledge to know. This next Joker card, it says don't panic. It's cool. The King of Hearts, or yeah, King of, my bad, that's red. Okay, well that's a spade. For some reason I don't know why the spade's red, but okay. It says this, since swelling can occur, my cat likes to meow. It says since swelling can occur with a break, check the splint every so often to make sure that it hasn't tightened from the swelling. So that's cool. The Queen of Spades. The most important thing with a sprain is that the individual needs to keep from putting the further strain on the injured area. Scroll through here real quick. Oh, I see. It's red and green. That's cool. That's very cool. The self Heimlich maneuver. Place your fist above your navel and bend over a hard surface to help leverage the upward abdominal thrusts. That's cool. And each card has something different. So this has to do with breaks of bones and sprains. Any of the spade cards. And then, so you see broken bone there. And then with the king, or with the green, or the hearts, it has to do with like just death stuff. So like the Heimlich remover, I guess.
Heimlich remover.
Yeah, it says profuse bleeding can be one of the most dangerous situations to face when an artery is cut. So yeah, this has to do with like deathly situations. Let's see here. The clubs, it's got a leaf on there. So I'm guessing this is like herbal remedies. A bee stinger needs to be removed immediately and can be scraped out using a credit card. Do not squeeze it out. Okay. Let's see. For mosquito... Oh, so this is for like natural stuff. Anything natural, like poison ivy, cures, to bee stings, to bug bites, that sort of thing. That's cool. Yeah, poisonous plants and insects. The ace tells you. Gosh. Well, I should look at the ace and see. Yeah, life or death is what the green one was. The hearts. And then for the diamonds, it's got a temperature gauge, and this is for heat or cold. So that is pretty neat. I am digging these cards a lot, actually.
It's fun.
That is very fun. Very cool. How much did that said? $10? I don't know where I think it said $10. Oh, it's right here. $10. Yep. So in the Pro Box, I would have missed a multi-function flashlight, a bushcraft tactical field knife, which is okay. It's $35 and $25 they would have thrown in there on top of what I just got. And then if I got the Elite Box, I would have gotten everything in the Pro and the Primary, and I would have got a pop-up bivy tent and a paracord survival kit. That's pretty cool. But see, they always put the good item in the Elite Box, so you have to get the Elite Box, which I still don't think it's worth it. Even though they got $200 worth of stuff for a $90 value, I still don't think it's worth it, guys. So, I'm all about personally not breaking your wallet. So this month I thought the box was fairly decent. It wasn't a great box, but it also wasn't terrible. I think the worst items I probably got out of the box was the cheap light that I got. Let me see. Yeah, this cheap light and probably the survival guide. Other than that, I mean, this survival guide, you can still learn stuff from it. The reason why I didn't put these at the bottom is because I could use these. Definitely. These are any molly webbing clips, mole webbing clips, however you want to say it. They're very useful, especially when you're backpacking, hiking, that sort of thing. This belt, I'm excited to use now. This is going to be like my outdoor belt. Now I have like a working belt and an outdoor belt, so that's very cool. That and these cards are sick as hell, so that's going to be cool. And this knife isn't a great knife. It's not a terrible knife. So you can see there, it's a knife. That's all I gotta say. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. If you guys have a comment, go ahead and leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. It keeps me highly motivated on doing videos. If you guys like this type of stuff, I do stuff like this once a week, whether it be unboxings, as you just saw here, fishing, hiking, camping, anything outdoors. As I said, I try to do this stuff at least once a week. So if you guys are into that type of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Ring that bell so you guys can stay in tune to my notifications. And as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in my next video.